Solana whale DeFi Development unleashes massive $100 million stock buyback. More SOL buys. Buyback Program. DeFi Development. Solana. As SOL slides, DFDV buys the stock it tethered to 2M plus SOL, tightening the loop where Solana's selloffs feed repurchases and future rallies compound per share SOL. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated 1 hour ago. DeFi Development Corp, the first publicly listed company structured around a Solana-based treasury strategy, has expanded its share repurchase program to $100 million, marking one of the largest stock buyback initiatives in the digital asset sector. The company announced on Wednesday that its board of directors had approved an increase to the authorization from its initial $1 million, allowing management to buy back common stock on the open market under Rule 10b-18 of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934. The authorization provides flexibility to repurchase up to $100 million, with an initial $10 million threshold requiring management to notify the board before proceeding with further purchases. Repurchased shares will either be retired and returned to authorized but unissued status or held as treasury stock. DeFi Development balances buybacks and Solana accumulation in bold dual strategy. According to the filing, the timing, method, and amount of repurchases will be determined by management based on market conditions and regulatory requirements. The company emphasized that the program does not obligate it to repurchase any specific number of shares and may be modified, suspended, or discontinued at any time. The move comes amid a year of ambitious developments for DeFi Development Corp, which has sought to position itself as Solana's equivalent of Strategy's Bitcoin strategy. In recent months, the company has steadily accumulated Solana for its treasury. On September 17th, it disclosed the purchase of 62,745 SOL, bringing its total holdings to 2,095,748 SOL, worth roughly $499 million at the time. That position translates to 0.0816 SOL per share, or about $19.44 in value per share, based on its reported metrics. The tokens are staked across multiple validators, including the firm's own, to generate yield. The stock buyback also follows regulatory setbacks earlier this year. In June, the company withdrew a $1 billion registration filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission after the regulator deemed it ineligible to use the streamlined S-3 form, citing a missing management report on internal controls in its most recent Form 10-K. The firm stated that no securities were sold under the withdrawn filing and that it intends to refile once compliance issues are resolved. Despite the withdrawal, the company pressed forward with capital-raising initiatives. In July, DeFi Development announced plans to raise $100 million through a private offering of convertible senior notes due in 2030, with an option for an additional $25 million. Proceeds were earmarked partly for stock repurchases through a prepaid forward agreement and for further Solana accumulation. More recently, the firm has expanded internationally. On September 22nd, it signed a letter of intent to establish DeFi Development Corporation Korea, a Solana digital asset treasury, DAT, in partnership with Fragmetric. A week earlier, it revealed plans to deploy between $5 million and $75 million per vehicle into global DATs through its Treasury Accelerator program, with returns reinvested into SOL to expand its treasury holdings. DeFi Development Corporation has raised $42 million since April to fund its Solana-focused strategy. With its stock buyback authorization now expanded to $100 million, the company has reinforced its dual approach of building shareholder value while positioning itself as a leading institutional holder of Solana. Patel, Brera, forward drive Solana treasury holdings to 13.4 M SOL. Institutional adoption of Solana continues to accelerate. Treasury companies now collectively hold 13.44 million SOL, $2.86 billion, according to CoinGecko data. Just today, Australian fitness firm Patel Corporation said it has secured a $100 million credit line to launch a Solana-focused treasury strategy, marking a pivot that includes rebranding as Solana Australia Corporation. The company will become the first Nasdaq-listed institution in the country to hold Solana, with plans to generate returns through staking, DeFi participation, and structured products designed with downside protection. Brera Holdings recently closed an oversubscribed $300 million PIPE led by UAE investors and ARK Invest to purchase Solana for its reserves. Meanwhile, Forward Industries, the largest Solana treasury holder, has accumulated over 6.8 million SOL and plans to tokenize its stock on-chain through Superstate's Opening Bell platform. The initiative will allow Forward shares to trade 24/7 with instant settlement and global liquidity, while also serving as collateral across Solana-based lending protocols. Forward recently filed for a $4 billion at-the-market equity program to scale its strategy further. Other firms, including Helios Medical Technologies, Bitmining, and Upexi Incorporated, are also building Solana treasuries, reinforcing the network's position as a growing hub for institutional capital. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. Why is crypto down today? September 22, 2025 New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Solana by the end of 2025. Ethereum price prediction. Billion-dollar firm BlackRock pumps $500 million into ETH, $10,000 just weeks away. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin and Picoin by the end of 2025. Bitcoin price prediction. Crypto CEO says every U.S. bank will soon hold BTC. Get in before Wall Street does. Features. Lord Miles. Polymarket chaos over claim YouTuber died during 40-day fast. For Days Ago, by Connor Sefton. Price analysis. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Pepe by the end of 2025. 6 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Price analysis. Cardano price prediction. ADA holds crucial 80-cent support. Here's why it could rally 300% soon. 1 day ago, by Ahmed Balaha. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. September 15, 2025, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 2 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 5 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 16 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 10 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 11 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025. 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. September 11, 2025, by Ben Beto.